Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, this is not main issue. Simply follow me on this video. Close this window here, guys. This problem came on your iPhone due to network problem, guys. These are not main issue. Simply open setting application appears on screen, and first of all check your internet connection stable or not. After that simply tap on I icon which network not connecting. Here guys, simply tap on forget this network, and after few seconds re-enter Wi-Fi password and try to reconnect to the network. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. If last method about network any problem on your iPhone, simply open setting application, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Simply do the reset network setting of your iPhone, guys. Any problem inside your iPhone about network will be solved after reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.